Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to take 3 objects that I had around the house and give them a fresh new update. For project number 1, I took a old chalkboard that my kids don't play with anymore, added a little stencil, and there I have a sign for the house. The chalkboard is neutral colors. My colors, I like using black and white, and it went perfect. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I like to use the Chalk Couture stencils. They have a sticky back, and the paste that comes with it is very user-friendly. I could have painted the frame of the chalkboard any color, but I like the natural wood, so I believe I'm going to leave it like that. For my second project, I'm going to personalize some hand towels, again using the Chalk Couture stencils. When stenciling on fabric, you want to lay something underneath the fabric so that the paste, paint, or even ink won't bleed through to whatever you have it laying on or to the other side of the fabric. Just a little tip that I use, I take a piece of cardboard and cover it with some saran wrap, so that all I have to do is peel the saran wrap off and throw it away. But this time, instead of using the paste, I'm going to use the permanent ink. When done placing the stencil where I want it, I use my heat press to set it in place. For my third project, I'm going to move away from the stenciling, and I'm going to upcycle this tray. I got it at a garage sale several years ago, and I've been using it just like it is, but I'm ready to give it a fresh new look. In order to prep the tray to accept the paint, I got out my oven cleaner, sprayed it down, Let it set for about 30 to 45 minutes. After scrubbing, rinsing with water, and then letting it dry in the sun, it was time to paint. But sometimes after using the oven cleaner, it will leave some of the grain of wood elevated, so I just slightly sanded it before painting. The paint that I used was a hammered enamel, kind of textured paint. But on the wood it really didn't show up like it has on other projects. So in hindsight, I wish I just would have used a flat black. I would have been just as happy with that. For the surface of the tray, I used a vinyl liner. It doesn't have a adhesive back, so I just sprayed some spray adhesive on the tray, and then I placed the vinyl liner in place. It was kind of spongy, so when I'm carrying water or plates, it won't move around and I'm less likely to make a mess. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to do an upcycle project of your own.